Now this expression, now let's take log to the base 5 on both sides. Let's see. I can take log of 5 whole this. And then here also I can take log of whole this to the base 5. Okay. So this equals to what? This equals to, I can bring whole this indices down. So I can write this implies 16 into log of x to the base 5 raised to cube minus 68 log of x to the base 5. This, and then what we have is log of x to the base 5. Okay, this we have by log property is equals to this 16 I can send down. So minus 16 I have log of 5 to the base 5. What property I am using? This is what? Log of x raised to n is same as, I can bring this n into log of x. This property I am using over here. Okay, this I am bringing down. Okay, hold this. I am bringing here down this term, and what we have, we left this. Okay, here is this. So similarly, this I am bringing down over here, and what we left is this. Okay. So log of 5 to the base 5 is what? 1. Okay. Now we have log of 5, log of x to the base 5. What? We have 1 over here. We have 1 over here. Okay, we have 1 over here. Let's consider u equals to, let log of x to the base 5. Then this become what? They have 16 u cube minus 68 u into u. Okay, this minus 16 into 1. Okay, so we don't have to write anything over here. So this implies, multiplying here, 16 u4 minus 68 u square. If I bring this plus 16 is equal to 0, I can divide by 16 or 4. 4 I can divide. 4 u4 minus 417 u square plus 4 4 is 16 equals to 0. Now here again we can consider this, consider u square equals to something like t. Okay, here what we have is here 4t square minus 17t plus 4 equals to 0. Quadratic in what? T square. Therefore t equals to what? 4, and t equals to here 1 upon 4. Okay, there what is t? T is what? U square equals to 4. Here u square equals to 1 by 4. Okay, is implies u square equals to 4 is what? U equals to plus minus 2. Okay, so therefore u equals to plus 2, again minus 2. Similarly here also, here half plus half and minus half. Now what is u? Okay, now our u is this. Okay, so u is what? Log of x to the base 5 is what? U. Okay, it implies x equals to 5 raised to plus 2 here, 5 raised to minus 2 here, 5 raised to half here, 5 raised to minus half here. Okay, these are all possible values of x. Okay, these are all possible values of x.